Hello and welcome at new video. Today we have here this Tiger 2 from Revell. Today we have here unboxing of this Tiger 2 Ausf, maybe Königstigger or just Panzerkampfwagen 6 Ausf with production turret. It's in 1:72 scale and it's from Revell. Here are other kits from Revell. The box is so damaged because I got it for free from my friend. I think we can open it. It was already opened, but I needed some footage for my intro, so this hull was here, so I just cut it away for you can see it in my intro. There are completely 5 sprues. Let's start with this hull. There aren't any zimmered. I like it, so let's continue. This fender, or how to say it, is looking very undated. These ropes aren't looking very great, but that's normal for these kits. There are some covers and machine gun. There are these tracks. This is so normal for Revell kits from these years. But let's go to look on them detail of them. I often don't like these plastic tracks, and there are these wheels for chassis. They are looking better than I think, so I like them. And there is this main part of chassis and the hull, and there are some next track parts. I think that will be additional. Oh no, this main gun isn't looking very great. I think I will buy some new. Let's go on the last sprue, where is tired and all the parts for that. It's looking very simple. This tire don't have a lot of details, but that's cheap kit and I like it. It's so simple. Let's go on the plan. There are some information about this Tiger 2. These instructions are looking simple. That's very simple. And there are some decals. I will look on them, but there are some two types of camouflage. One is from Ungarn, from October 1944, and this is from Westfront, Mars 1945, and this is from Panzerabteilung 56, and this from Panzerabteilung 53. And let's look on decal sheet. There aren't anything, just like this cross of Wehrmacht and these numbers. So we are at the end of this video. If you like it, click on the like button. If you are here new, subscribe. Goodbye, see you later. Cheap kit